More news coming in. Madhuri, the daughter of Andhra Pradesh YSRCP MP Vida Mastan Rao, was arrested and released on station bail by the Chennai police on Tuesday after a car hit and caused the death of a man who was lying in a drunken state in the road in Besant Nagar area of Chennai. On Monday evening, a man named Surya got drunk and was lying on the side of a road near a pavement in Besant Nagar area of Chennai. The car in which Madhuri and a friend were travelling ran over Surya as they allegedly failed to notice him lying on the road immediately after they took a turn towards the Tiger Varadachari First Cross Street. The victim died of its injuries is what we know. Shilpa Nahar is getting us more details on that story. Shilpa, some details emerging about the fact that the man was dead. In fact, the man was drunk and was lying on the road. And the accused, the daughter of an MP, in her defence, has said that they couldn't spot him while he was, in fact, lying on the road in a drunken state.
Well, that's right, Sneha. In fact, this case has come to light from Chennai. In fact, what we're being told is that the YSRCP Rajya Sabha MP's daughter, Madhuri, was arrested and she was, of course, let off on station bail in this particular case. What exactly happened is that this man, a youth named Surya, was drunk and he slept off on the road near a pavement in Besant Nagar area of Chennai. And when Madhuri, along with her friend, when they were travelling in their luxury car, when they took a turn towards that particular road, they accidentally ran over Surya and of course, they ran over him and he sustained very serious injuries. And immediately after the accident, a lot of locals there gathered, and there's a video that has emerged in which we can see Madhuri's friend, seen arguing with the locals there. And in fact, what we've been told by the Chennai police is that the Madhuri and her friend had called for the ambulance. And they've also told the police that they had dialed 100, which is the police number. And they had asked for an ambulance to come so that Surya can be shifted to the hospital. And because the locals were getting angry, they were getting agitated, both of them left from the area. And when the police reached the spot, the locals, of course, had failed to take down the number of the car. And that is when the police, of course, went through CCTV footages and also, tracked the vehicle through the number that was called, that was used to call the ambulance. And that is when they realized that it was Madhuri who was behind the wheels. And immediately, of course, they were asked to, appear before the police. And once they appeared before the police, there was a case that was, of course, registered, under charges of negligent, death constituting negligence. And because it's a bailable section, Madhuri was let off on station bail is what we're being told. But Surya's wife, Vinita, has, of course, spoken to media. She says that she needs justice. In fact, several of his family members were at the police station demanding justice. Vinita, of course, accuses that Madhuri was drunk, but the police so far has not confirmed that. But what we know so far is that Madhuri was arrested and she was let off on station bail.